In the heart of northern Europe, beneath the waves of the Baltic Sea, a record-breaking engineering project is quietly taking shape. This is the Fehmarnbelt Fixed Link, a massive tunnel connecting Denmark and Germany. The Fehmarnbelt Tunnel will connect Rødbyhavn on the Danish island of Lolland to Puttgarden on the German island of Fehmarn. It's a crucial part of the Trans-European Transport Network, an ambitious EU initiative to improve connectivity from Scandinavia to southern Europe. This isn't a bored tunnel like the Channel Tunnel. Instead, the Fehmarnbelt is being built using immersed tube technology, the longest of its kind ever attempted. It will consist of 89 concrete elements, each 217 meters long, weighing 73,000 tons. These are precision-engineered, floated out, then sunk and joined underwater in a trench carved into the seabed. Before the tunnel segments can be placed, the seabed must be prepared. A 60-meter wide trench is being dredged along the Baltic floor, deeper than a 10-story building, using some of the world's most powerful dredgers. This is currently Europe's largest construction site, and among the most complex ever undertaken. Thousands of engineers, technicians, and specialists from across Europe are working on-site, coordinated down to the hour. The tunnel will carry a double-track railway and a 4-lane motorway, drastically reducing travel time and carbon emissions. It's expected to cut over 2 million tons of CO2 annually by shifting freight from trucks to rail. The project's $7.1 billion cost is largely funded by Denmark, with EU support under the Connecting Europe facility. But it hasn't been without controversy. Environmental groups raised concerns over marine life and coastal habitats. As crews dug into the seabed and surrounding areas, they uncovered relics from Europe's distant past, including Stone Age tools and sunken ships from centuries ago. Each find tells a story and adds months of archaeological work to the timeline. With most dredging complete and the first tunnel sections laid, the project is on track to open in 2029. When it does, the Fehmarnbelt Tunnel will reshape European logistics, reduce emissions, and bring nations closer in record time. It's one of the boldest infrastructure projects of the 21st century, a feat of engineering, endurance, and international ambition. A tunnel beneath the sea, not just connecting countries, but reshaping how Europe moves.